If you're someone who like playing games and you don't earn something from it, then in this video, I'm actually going to show you a legit website that has been on the system for the past 16 years ago. And this platform that I'm talking is paying people just by playing game, and not just by playing game. You can also do other features on this website and also make something good for yourself. So I'm going to show you the website, and also I'm going to guide you on how you can also set up your account from scratch. It doesn't require whether you have experience or you don't have experience. All you have to do is make sure that you use a smartphone or a laptop and also a strong internet connection, and that's what you need. You don't have to. It doesn't require any investment. So without wasting my time, let's dive into the video. And also make sure to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification so that whenever I release a video about money making tips, you are going to be the first to be notified by YouTube over here. So this is the website that I'm talking over here, and make sure not to skip this video because I'm going to be revealing the website at the middle of this video. So make sure not to skip any part of this video because you are not going to understand whatever that I'm going to teach over here. All right. So if you scroll down over here, you can see that this is what they are actually offering us. You can say earn free cash, games and gift card and cryptocurrency. So this website over here also pay you cryptocurrency, and they also pay you through your PayPal. And they have a bunch of withdrawal method over here whereby you can also withdraw your money from this platform over here. And if you scroll down over here, so this is the way you're going to earn a point over here. So this is what they are actually saying over here. We offer multiple ways to earn points, complete tasks and offers, watch video, play mobile games, test software, invite your friend, and also discover your favorite earning method. So this is what they are saying. Let's also scroll down over here. Let's see how you can also get your reward from this platform over here. So this is what they are also saying. You can then exchange your points for skin, games, gift card, cryptocurrency. So which means that you can also exchange your point that you earn on this platform. The point that they're gonna give you can convert into a real cash and withdraw from this platform over here. So let's also scroll down over here. You can see these are their favorite over here. So let's go to the reward section over here and let's see the features of this website before we can start whether to use this platform or not. So scroll down over here and click on reward. All right. So if you come here, you can see that this website is being trusted by 500,000 users since 2015. So this website has been on the platform since 2015. And I'll show you the payment proof, some of the payment proof of my members on the screen for you to know that this is actually legit over here. And let's also scroll down over here. You can see that they can pay you through PayPal over here. And also, you can also pay you through Bitcoin over here, and so forth and so on. So first of all, let's see how we can also register an account and start making passive income from this website over here. All right, so this is actually the sign up section. So for you to sign up, all you have to do is to click on this sign up over here. So this is the sign up. Make sure to click on it. And this is the interface that I'm going to show you. So make sure that this is written create new account. Okay. And also scroll down over here. You can see that they're saying you should enter your name over here. This is your name. Also scroll up over here saying that you should enter your email address over here and also enter your password and also confirm your password. So this is a simple process whereby you can use it to enter to fill in these details, and also make sure to verify that you are not a robot over here. You can see that it is actually verified that I'm not a robot, and also agree their terms and condition and click on create account. So I have an account. I'm gonna log into my account and show you how this website actually works. So this is my dashboard over here. I can see that this is written endpoint from this. So these are some of the tasks that you can do to endpoint. We have save it over here. If you scroll up, we also have offer walls over here. And if you also scroll, we have offers over here. And if you also scroll down, we also have videos over here. So for this one, you can watch unlimited video and also earn point over here. All right. this one is also invite your friend and also earn. So I'll the invite link in the description. All you have to do is to use the invite link to get a 500 coins sign up bonus over here. So first of all, let me show you how you can withdraw your money from this platform before I can show you some of the ways that you can use to earn. Be sure to click on this three line over here. So you can see that we have earn profile and withdraw. So click on the withdraw section over here. All right, so you can see that if you scroll down over here and we have a bunch of currencies that you can actually withdraw your money to. I see we have a bunch of currency that you can also withdraw your money to. And if you also scroll down over here, we have a Binance gift card. You can also withdraw your money to Binance gift card over here. And if you also scroll down over here, you can also withdraw to Steam over here. So we have a bunch of withdrawal payment over here. So you can scroll down and find what actually suits you. And I see we have a PayPal over here. So you can also scroll down. If you don't find your withdrawal method over here, you can also click on second one over here. So this is the second one over here. You can also click on it and it is actually going to give you more withdrawal options for you to withdraw to, and the coin conversion ratio over here. So scroll down over here. So let's use the first one over here. So Bitcoin over here. So for you to withdraw, all you have to do is to get the minimum withdrawal of 5,000 coins, and we're actually going to be checking the amount that you will get when we convert our 5,000 coins to this platform. And don't mind you that I just started this I just started using this platform and I've accumulated over 2,000 plus points over here. So this is my 2,000 plus points over here. You can see that I just recently that I started using this website. I have accumulated just 2,000 from. And this website is very simple. All you have to do is to do some simple tasks and they actually give you points. Well, yeah. So let's click on select. All right, so you can see that for you to withdraw Binance, Binance is a, so this is what Binance means. Binance is a crypto exchange that lists more than 350 cryptocurrency cover. Binance gift card can be redeemed on your Binance account and exchange for your favorite currency. So you can also withdraw this to Binance gift card and exchange to any currency that you want on the Binance. So if you have Binance, if you don't have Binance, make sure to go and download Binance account so that you can withdraw your money from here to Binance. So for every 5,000 points, it's equivalent to 0.5 USDT over here. And for every 10,000 points, it's equivalent to 1 US dollars over here. And I'm going to show you how you can earn more points faster on this platform. As I was saying, stick to this video without missing any parts. So we actually back on the main page over here. So first of all, these are the bunch of tax survey offer walls offers. So first of all, let's click on the offers and let's see what they also have for us over here. All right, you can see that you can also download games over here. So right now we have approximately 615 offers over here. So let's click on the mobile apps over here. Click on the mobile apps and let's see the offers here. So mobile apps, they don't have any offer for us. So let's click on the games over here. So they have two offers for us. You can see there are a bunch of offers that you can do. So game, scroll down over here, and this game over here, you can see that this game is actually going to giving us 24,000 coins if you are able to do the requirement that you're asking. And if you also scroll down over here, this one is also going to be giving you 1,200 coins if you also do what they are requiring for. So this is the description over here. You can read through it and understand before you can start participating in any tasks over here. All right, so let's also scroll down over here and let's see this mobile app over here. Let's see what they have for you. So for mobile apps, they have 29 offers for us. This is 29 offers. Let's also scroll down and see the offers over here. So this one is saying you should just install and open the app. They are going to giving us 400 coins over here. And if you also scroll down over here, this one is also saying we should install and open the app. If you install the app and you just open the app and you just log out, they're going to give us 400 points over here. And if you also scroll down over here, this one is also going to give you 2,500 points over here. So guys, this is how you can also use and passive income on this platform. I see this last one over here is actually when I'm giving you 90,000 points over here, 90,305 points just by using this app over here. So these are the instructions over here. If you read and understand, you can also do it successfully. So make sure to like this video to motivate me, as I'm saying, and also subscribe to my channel if you want more video like this. So this is what I have for you, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.